What's up YouTube, it is Tired here and I'm back with another Division video, and today I'm going to be going over my striker build that I've been using since the beginning of 1.8, fully optimized. I did make a video on it in the beginning and it's, my most highest viewed video on the channel, 40k, 1,000 views. Thank you guys so much, hope you guys enjoyed that. And here's a screenshot of that build, and so you guys can compare it to the build that I have now. It's basically a more improved version. And these are my stats now. Basically the main thing is I have over 30k more toughness. Other than that, most of the build is the same. I'm going to be going over in detail my guns and why I choose what gear mods I choose and what gear I am using. So this is my house. It's a pretty trash house. I know some people got triggered that I deleted a house on one of my videos, but it was well deserved, trust me. And I am still using the same shotgun with I think 4 or 5k more base damage now, which really improves this build a lot. Same mods, same talents, Unforgiving, Vicious, and Responsive, which I feel like works really well with this build. And then I have this Centurion, and I did waste Div Tech to upgrade it so I can have 290 gear score, but that's not the issue. And this is my chest piece. I have everything maxed out. Skill haze still on there. And if anyone doesn't know what Striker does, you guys can read this, or I can just tell you. Basically, you gain stacks, and the more stacks you have, the more damage you do. And with the 6 piece, it's easier to gain the stacks, and you also gain a health stack, which regens your health, which is why I think this is one of the best builds in the game, because with a sausage or SCSG, you can gain your stacks really quickly, efficiently, and stay alive longer than pretty much any other build besides Nomad. This is my mask, crit chance, stam. I would want burn resistance or bleed resistance. And I'm running all firearms mods with health, I think, except for one that has a stam mod. These are my knee pads. I would want shock resistance on them. And for my performance mods, I do run pulse critical hit chance, because the first aid heal doesn't do anything for you. Health on my holster, double crit, shotgun gloves with stamina, and then my backpack's health with stam. So everything's pretty much rolled for stam and health on this build. Yeah, there's my DPS with that, 250k, which is 1k lower than what I used to have it, but it's okay. I pretty much upped my stamina by 100 something points. And you could go 4k firearms and the rest stam, but I like my build where it's at. And this is my pulse, 16.8% crit chance, and I use a box instead of first aid because it's not necessary, it gives you more heal. But you can run with a booster if you want. And these are my talents that I run in a group, or sorry, that was sick. And you can run, like on the move, or whatever you want. It's up to you guys. And then going into my hard stats for the build, I'll slowly go through them with my shotgun, 30% crit chance and 65% crit hit damage, 66% headshot damage, which really doesn't matter, 30% stability, enemy armor damage doesn't really matter. Skill haste is crap, that doesn't really matter. This is what matters, my max health and my armor mitigation, and my armor maxed out. Health is almost at 460k, my toughness is almost 690k, so it's hard to take me down, especially with all the stacks that I can get, and plus I can do major damage with the SASG. And yeah, that is pretty much it for the build. That is fully optimized, and I really enjoy using this build. I know a lot of people don't like shotgun builds, but I don't know, I really enjoy it. I feel like it's the best build in the game, and I want to thank you guys for all the support, and here's a couple minutes of gameplay for you guys.
you a location. Reach it and your manhunt will be cleared.
Supply drops detected.